the age of robots, automation, and humanoid marvels. In the corridors of innovation, where science fiction blends seamlessly into reality, robots are no longer just mechanical marvels. They are reshaping the fabric of society. Imagine a world where your coffee is served by a humanoid barista, your car drives you to work autonomously, and microscopic robots deliver medicine directly to diseased cells in your body. This isn't a snippet from a futuristic novel, it's the dawn of the age of robots. From humanoid figures mimicking human interactions to vehicles navigating bustling streets without a driver, the revolution is not coming, it's already here. Introduction to robotics and automation. The realm of robotics and automation represents one of the most profound shifts in technological advancement in modern history. As we stand on the brink of a robotic era, it's crucial to understand the various dimensions this technology touches upon, from daily human life to complex industrial processes. This essay explores the intricate dance of metal and logic through humanoid robots, autonomous vehicles, and nanotechnology, each a testament to human ingenuity and a beacon of future possibilities. The rise of humanoid robots. Humanoid robots, engineered to mimic human actions and interactions, are no longer confined to the screens of science fiction. Advances in AI, sensors, and actuators now allow these robots to perform complex tasks, ranging from industrial manufacturing to personal care. Companies like Boston Dynamics with their Atlas model and Hanson Robotics' Sophia have pioneered developments that could soon see these robots becoming an integral part of everyday life. Yet, with their rise, ethical questions loom large. How will they fit into the societal fabric, and what roles will they be permitted to assume? Autonomous vehicles navigating the new roads. The vision of roads populated by autonomous vehicles is gradually morphing into reality. These self-driving machines, equipped with cutting-edge sensors and machine learning algorithms, promise a future with fewer traffic accidents and optimized traffic flow. Industry giants like Tesla and Waymo are at the forefront of this technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. However, the road to widespread adoption is fraught with challenges, including legislative hurdles and safety concerns, illustrating the complex interplay between technology and society. Nanotechnology, the small giant. At the atomic and molecular level, nanotechnology is forging materials with unprecedented properties. In medicine, it offers the potential for targeted drug delivery systems that could revolutionize treatment methodologies, minimizing side effects and maximizing efficacy. Beyond healthcare, its applications stretch to electronics, where it contributes to the development of faster, more efficient processors and storage devices. As we harness the power of the incredibly small, the possibilities seem boundless, yet it necessitates stringent regulations to manage its profound capabilities responsibly. Integration of AI in robotics. Artificial intelligence stands as the brain behind the brawn of robotics, enabling machines to perform tasks with a level of precision and autonomy that was unimaginable a few decades ago. AI-driven robots are now capable of learning from their environment and making decisions, thereby increasing efficiency and productivity in various sectors. As AI continues to evolve, the synergy between it and robotics is set to become more seamless, heralding a new era of innovation. Human-robot interaction, ethical and social implications. The integration of robots into daily life raises pivotal ethical and social questions. The balance between utility and privacy, the potential for dependency, and the ethical treatment of robots themselves are areas of active debate. As robots become more intertwined with our lives, establishing robust frameworks to govern these interactions will be crucial to ensuring they augment society positively without infringing on individual rights or autonomy. Robotics is poised to dramatically transform the economic landscape. While automation may lead to job displacement in certain sectors, it also opens up new avenues for job creation in areas requiring complex problem-solving and personal interactions. The overall impact on productivity and GDP could be immensely positive, but this shift necessitates proactive measures from governments and educational institutions, to reskill and upskill the workforce. In healthcare, robotics is making surgeries less invasive and more precise, significantly improving patient outcomes. Robots in hospitals are assisting with everything from surgery to rehabilitation, and their potential to expand healthcare access in underserved areas is immense. However, the deployment of such technology must be handled with care, ensuring that it complements rather than replaces the human touch that is so vital in caregiving. Robots are also finding their place in educational settings, providing interactive and engaging ways for students to learn and explore new concepts. From language teaching robots to programmable kits that introduce children to coding and robotics, these tools are enriching the learning experience, making education more accessible and tailored to individual learning styles. In the realms of entertainment and art, robots are performing in concerts, creating paintings, and even writing poetry. They bring a new dimension to creativity, challenging our traditional notions of artistry. This intersection of technology and art not only broadens the scope of what is creatively possible, but also invites us to rethink the role of the artist and the creative process. With the increasing integration of robotics in various sectors, security, both cyber and physical, becomes paramount. The potential for hacking autonomous vehicles or manipulating robotic systems in manufacturing and healthcare presents significant risks. Addressing these concerns through advanced cybersecurity measures and robust physical safeguards is essential to protect against potential threats. Looking ahead, the field of robotics holds exciting prospects. Developments like enhanced sensory perceptions, better energy efficiencies, and more sophisticated AI models are on the horizon. The future may also see the rise of fully autonomous robots performing complex tasks with little to no human oversight, further blurring the lines between human capabilities and machine efficiency. Countries like Japan, the United States, and Germany are leading the charge in robotics, driven by strong industrial bases and significant investments in research and development. Companies such as Boston Dynamics, Hanson Robotics, and ABB continue to push technological boundaries, setting new benchmarks for what robots can achieve. As we navigate through this era of unprecedented technological growth, robotics stands out as a key driver of change. The journey of robotics from assembly lines to living rooms and beyond is a testament to human ingenuity and a preview of a future where humans and robots coexist, collaborate, and continually redefine the possible. As we look towards this horizon, it is clear that the age of robots is not just about mechanical might, but about the seamless integration of technology into the fabric of life, making what was once thought impossible possible.